Hello, everybody. Welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. Here is the Edexcel mechanics, the year of 2022. Question number 2. Yes, it is a question about friction and force. And a rough plane is inclined to a horizontal angle with alpha here. This must be alpha 2. And then with the tangent alpha equal to 3/4. And here I try to calculate that if the tangent alpha is equal to 3/4, which means cosine alpha is 4/5, sine alpha equal to 3/5. Yes, for the sake of convenience, we try to calculate this item first, and then a small board B of mass 5 kg is held in equilibrium on the plane by a horizontal force X Newton toward this force is toward the right, in the direction of right, and therefore this force can be decomposed into two directions. One direction is this one, and the other direction is this one. And by the sine cosine tangent, this force is equal to x equal to sine alpha, and this force is equal to x cosine alpha. And then yes, it is so the x newtons. The force acts on in a vertical plane with a which contains a line of greater slope of the inclination plane. The board B is modeled as a particle. Then the magnitude of the normal reaction. Normal reaction means that the force is perpendicular to the plane. Here the normal reaction is 68.6 newtons. Here, and therefore this force can also be decomposed into two directions. And for this particle B, then let me see. We continue our question. Find the magnitude of the frictional force acting on B. Frictional force acting on B means this one. Therefore, I let F be the frictional force. And then we actually have one equation, and suppose, let me see, this is the board is 5 kg here. I almost forgot this one. The 5 kg is acting on the direction of downward. Here is 5g. G here is taking 9.8. And then this G can be 5G can be decomposed into two directions. One direction is perpendicular to the plane, but the direction is in the opposite direction of the normal force, and the other direction is acting on this direction to the along the plane of the inclination. Here, this is alpha. Therefore, this direction should be 5g cosine alpha, and this direction, okay, I remove this one. Move this one to this, and this is 5g sine alpha. Okay, actually we here set all the force direction. We can balance the direction here. The force for the force friction and plus this one must equal to this one. Yes, therefore this is equation 1. F plus x cosine alpha plus equal to 5g sine alpha. And then I put that value into the equation. Cosine alpha is equal to 4 over 5 and sine alpha is equal to 3 over 5, and g is equal to 9.8, and then this one is equal to 49. I set this equation as this equation 1. And for equation 2, the equation 2 is equal to this force plus this force must equal to this force. Wow, so obviously, yes. Okay, then x sine alpha plus 5g 5g sine alpha. And 5g cosine alpha, sorry for typo, is equal to 68.6. And after simplify this, okay, 49 times 4 over 5 equal to 6.6, 68.6, which is equal equation 2. Okay, and after solve this equation, we can put let me see. Actually, this is x. That from equation 2, x is by direct calculation is equal to 49. Okay, and then this is equation 3. Put 3 into 1. We can have f plus 49 times 4 over 5 equal to 49 times 3 over 5. F is equal to minus 9.8 Newton. Yes, and finally we can calculate the magnitude of the frictional force is equal to F is equal to 9.8 Newton. Okay, for the second part, state the direction of frictional force acting on B. And I think I have stated here this direction. Okay, for question B. If the horizontal force of the magnetic X magnet or the X Newton is now removed. When we moved, and then the particle B will move downward here. I think you can feel this one. If I remove this one, this force, then this board is free field to along the surface of the board. Okay, then I think I better to draw a figure here. This is board B. This is normal reaction, and this is frictional force. This is the 3D field, the direction, and for the object downward is equal to 5g and decompose into 2 directions. One direction is perpendicular to the inclination plane of the inclination plane, and another direction is along the inclination plane. And by the definition of given the coefficient of friction of B is 0.5, by the definition of normal force is equal to frictional force. Is equal to coefficient. This coefficient times normal force. Here normal force is equal to this one, because this must be the opposite direction. Therefore, the frictional force F, I use the notation of F denoted by mu. Mu here is mu. This is normal force. This force. Mu is 0.5 and the normal force is 5G. G is 9.8 and cosine alpha is 4/5, which is equal to 19.6 Newton. And let 8, because the question want to ask the acceleration of B, of the particle B, in the direction of downward, and let A be the acceleration of B. And by the definition of force equal to ma, therefore ma must be equal to the force, the net force acting on this direction. Therefore, the direction here must be this direction minus to the frictional force, 5G sine alpha minus F. M here is 5 kg, A is a unknown, 5G is 9.8, sine alpha is equal to 3/5, F is calculated in the above 19.6. After the calculation, we have the acceleration is 1.96 meter per second. Yes, this is all the solution of this question. I hope guys can enjoy this question, and I will continue to present the paper about Edexcel of mechanics and statistics. Hope guys can support this channel, and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.